Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the LUX Pro P711 programmable thermostat, and we're going to be talking about the 7-day programming of a temperature set point on this device. Now, I have other videos covering manual override, factory reset, and keypad lockout, as well as the settings menu. Please check out those other videos. But let's get into the 7-day programming of this device. It is very simple to do. You're going to want to be in either heating or cooling, and this has to be done for each mode. So it's two separate kind of sections. So we're going to go into cooling, and we're going to dial in and hit the set button. And now things start flashing. The time starts flashing, and then your temperature set point is going to start flashing. You're going to want to go ahead and figure out for each period of the day, 4 periods of the day in this case, when do you want it to start and what you want the set point to be. And you will go in here and dial in these times and hit next, and it's gonna jump to the temperature, and you're gonna dial in that temperature, hit next, and as you see, it's gonna progress through each period of the day: morning, day, evening, and night. You will have to adjust every single one of these to your desired taste. It will take some time, but once you get it right, you don't have to worry about it ever again. So you're going to have to cycle through these and figure out what your heart desires for temperature and change them. Okay? It's going to take some patience. All right, so once you're all set with deciding what the times and what the different set points are going to be on the device, go ahead and hit the set button twice, and that will bring you to the main screen, and you're ready to go and run this thermostat with the new program. It's very simple. There's also an option of having 7-day individual days or 5 and 2. So having Monday through Friday as one block and Saturday and Sunday as another block for programming adjustment. You will have to go through the settings menu to do that. Please check out my other video. That way it would allow you to understand how to change that option. One other thing you're going to want to know when you go ahead and do your 7-day program is to make sure you have the proper day and the proper time. So in order to do that, you have to be in the off position, and you hit set twice from an inactive state. And then you will see set day, and then you hit next and a set time. And then when you hit next button again, it's just going to go right through and cancel out and go back to the main menu. Sorry, main screen. Let's go ahead and hit that again. So hit set once. Now we're going to go ahead and adjust the day, as you can see here at the bottom. So we're going to adjust it for Friday, and then hit next, and then set time. Very easily, go ahead and set your time. 1:21 a.m. That is the time. And we're going to go ahead and set next, and we're all set to go. And that takes care of your 7-day program being accurate, because if you don't set your time and day, it's not going to work correctly. So that's one thing you have to do before you go ahead and make sure your program is all set. But anyways, that is the simple way to do a 7-day program on this LUX Pro thermostat. I want you to check out my other videos. That way you become very knowledgeable on this device. I also have manual override, factory reset, and keypad lockout, as well as settings menu. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.